Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to sign into Google Meet application with your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end if you'd like to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into Google Meet application, you'll need to have a Google account. If you don't have a Google account yet, simply sign up for a Google account, and once you have it, you can easily log into your account. From your app drawer, tap open your Google Meet application in order to launch it on. Now, select your Google account from where you'd like to log into your account by tapping on it. Now, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. You'll need to now allow access to your device's video camera and microphone in order to make video calls on Meet. So tap on Continue, and in the pop-up that appears in the bottom of the page, tap on Allow. Allow more access, and you'll be logged into your Google Meet account in no time. You can now start a new meeting or simply join in with a meeting code that has been given to you. That is how you'll be able to go ahead and log into Google Meet account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.